Hey everyone, it's me Sadrina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Dollar Tree looking for the new makeup releases. I don't know guys, there's this brand called Prolux that has a bunch of new makeup dupes that imitate popular makeup brands, but I just cannot find it anywhere. So until we can find it, let's see what else we can look for. What in the world? Since when did Dollar Tree get Stanley cups? This looks almost exactly like the one I got from Five Below, but I don't think it's the same brand. It's just very similar. They have it in black, white, and pink. That's all I see here. It's only this small section, but since when? It's $5 for this, and it's basically the same thing. The difference about dupes like this is that the inside is just plastic. There's no metal inside to keep the water super cool, but they still work very well and give off the same aesthetic if you just want a tumbler that can fit in your cup holder whenever you're driving. This is actually pretty cool. Also guys, this is a brand new just opened Dollar Tree that I'm at. It's a little bit empty, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even see a makeup section, which is what I came here for, but I mean, at least we found some Stanley cups. That's cool. Stanley dupes, let me say, alternative. Look how cute and stocked up their Valentine's Day section is. In the fall, I actually got a package from Be Pure where they sent me all their new makeup releases, and now I'm actually seeing them in store, like this silky lip cream. It's only $1.25 actually. They have different shades here: pink velvet, soft rose, and Bordeaux bliss. I'm glad you guys can actually get these in stores. They're pretty stocked. They also have the liquid blush in party pink and coral crush. There's another shade of this, I'm just not sure where it is. They have the Be Pure bronzer drops here. I believe they only have one shade of this. $1.25 for each of them. They have all their clean beauty products here. Their powdered blushes. Haven't seen these before, but we have a tinted lip oil by Ioni. This is a brand I've seen a lot at Dollar Tree, but this tinted lip oil is definitely new. Sweet Honey. And then also a liquid blush by Ioni. Everyone's coming out with all the same products.
Look at LA Color Lip Plum.
Oh my gosh, not the pump gloss again. I'm telling you guys, all these pump glosses, these are some nice shades here. I like these. They're nice and they have a little bit of a shimmer to them, it seems. Ooh, look at these Pretty Woman press-on nails. Guys, these days I don't get my nails done at the salon anymore. I rather just do them myself. And these ones are actually very nice. I like the colors and the design. Even B Color is making their own. They have lots of different brands here with some pretty nice designs. They're getting better, I'm not gonna lie, they're getting better. You could file these down, make them fit your fingernails more. This is nice. Cuticle oil balm. Looks kind of fun to use. What is this? Nail polish corrector pen infused with vitamin E. Hold on, so if you get some on your skin instead of on your nail, this will actually fix it up. I'm guessing that's what this is for. That's actually a really nice product to make.
Boba Milk Tea Lip Gloss by Be Pure.
What? No, I haven't. Oh wait, that's cute. Fake boba pearls inside. I wonder how it smells. Strawberry scented. Super cutesy. Do you have any more? I only see the strawberry ones. This one's blueberry. This is new. Cream eyeshadow and it has two different shades to it. Full coverage lip gloss. Le Mercerie, I think that's how you say it. Haven't seen this one either. LA Colors has a volume lash mascara. Big lash. They have lots of different mascaras here actually. Okay, these are literal dupes for the Vaseline sticks. Extra Care Jelly Stick. These are $1.25. It's more white than the Vaseline one is, but it looks like it would work the same. I was looking for this a long time ago and was never able to find it till now. Must be new here too because it's very stocked up. Alright, I was just about to leave, but I found this random self-care section. They have a whole bunch of body scrubs. Let's look through these. I think it's actually only 3 cents. Love Struck, Vanilla Sugar, and Cherry Blossom. You guys know me, I have to do my scent test. Unless these are sealed, then probably won't be able to smell anything. Yes, they are open. Okay, let's smell Love Struck first. This reminds me of the Victoria's Secrets perfume. We used to have one of them that was purple. Let's see if it smells the same. Wait, it does. It actually smells like it. Yeah.
The Love Spell one?
Yeah.
Doesn't it? Does, yeah.
I think they were inspired.
So it's a dupe?
Yeah, I might put it on the screen, the body spray that this might be based off of, because it literally looks very similar and smells the same. Okay. What if these are actually supposed to be dupes for something and we don't know? Okay, this is vanilla. I don't know, guys. Sometimes vanilla just smells like shea butter to me. Like, I don't or cocoa butter. Like, it doesn't smell like vanilla enough. I need to be a stronger vanilla scent. Okay, and then Cherry Blossom. I feel like this is gonna smell good. Smells a little bit like glue. You know what?
The Love Spell is the best one.
Love Struck. Yeah, this is the best one. It smells like Victoria's Secret perfume. I like this one the most. And I would recommend if you want this. Scalp massage. These are cute, actually.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Be Pure has scalp massagers, and they're in the shape of hearts. They have purple and red. Do they have pink? Oh, yeah, they do. They have purple, red, and
for
pink.
Valentine's Day.
I wonder if these are only for Valentine's Day or if they'll keep them after Valentine's Day. I don't know. But yeah, we just found the ultimate self-care area. They even have the shower headbands. Cute. Pink, purple, and blue. Pink one has hearts on it. The blue one is like a leopard print, and then the purple one has flowers. Oh, there's another pink one with polka dots too.
Guys, she doesn't want to show you guys these Valentine's Day loofahs.
I mean,
a sponge and a loofah together.
They're just shower loofahs. Up here they have vitamin C peel off face mask, fruit enzyme exfoliating sheet masks. Ooh, silver lift and firm peel off face mask. Be Pure came out with some blemish patches. That's nice. 24 hydrocolloid patches. These are nice. I kind of did need some because I forgot to bring some home from college, so maybe I should get them. Just found this Age Defy Dark Circle. Oh my gosh, why can't I speak? Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. Okay, so it's a serum that you could roll on with peptides, vitamins, and green tea extract. A 3-in-1. Does it actually work though? They're actually really stocked up on this. Some people have taken some, so they're taking that risk to see if it works. $125 for these. I really like the packaging for these bath salts. Peach berry and vanilla bean. Should I scent test these? First, peach berry. It's like a tart, fruity scent. I actually like this one. Now, vanilla bean. If this smells like shea butter instead of just vanilla, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, this one smells like vanilla extract, thankfully. They did a little better with this. Pretty nice, and seems like a good amount of people have taken from this box, so I imagine they work well. The lighting's kind of bad, but we just got back from Dollar Tree, and when we were scent testing the body scrubs, I guess a worker saw us, so when we were checking out, she made me show her which one we opened and said they can't sell it anymore because we opened it and scent tested it. So I guess that's not allowed. It's not even our fault that they don't have seals on these, and it's not like we stuck our finger in it or did anything. We literally just scent tested it. But whatever, I only showed her one because she was doing the most. It's not like we did anything. So I don't know, my mom ended up buying it anyways, but she just wanted me to show it to her so she could put it in the back somewhere, because I guess now it's not sellable. Like, this is Dollar Tree.
Exactly.
You know how many people scent test things in other stores like Ulta, Sephora, and they don't care? Because why would I buy something without smelling it first? I don't want to buy something that doesn't smell good. So I don't know, that was weird.
I think it's just BS.
Whatever. She was also just giving weird energy anyways, because she's like, yeah, I have to put it in the bag. Show me the ones you guys open, show me. So afterwards though, she took it and she put it somewhere. My mom's like, you know what, we'll just buy it. And she first said, no, it's fine, you don't have to buy it. If you guys don't really want it and you're not gonna use it, you don't have to buy it. And my mom's like, it's fine, we can buy it. And then she just kind of gave us the silent treatment and started like ringing up the people behind us, which was awkward. I was ready to leave. Like, what was the point? I didn't even want the product to begin with.
She's just being a butthead. Because how long have we been shopping at Dollar Tree opening stuff?
I don't know. I feel like it's fine as long as you're not doing anything to the actual product. If you're just smelling it to see if you want to buy it or not, I think it should be fine. She's just being uptight about things and taking it way too serious. And like, now you've just embarrassed us in front of all the other customers. It's just like, it's dumb. And I kind of wish you didn't even buy it, because what was the point?
Because whatever. If she said because we open it, I'm just gonna pay for it.
My thing is, she should have just given it to us for free then. If you're gonna put it in the back somewhere and not sell it. Or maybe she's gonna give it, maybe they have a thing where all their unwanted products, they give it to charity. I don't know. I don't know what they do with all those products.
No, she said she's gonna throw it away.
If you're gonna throw it away, why don't you just give it to us for free then?
Exactly.
Because we didn't want it. You know, we didn't want to get it initially, but because you can't sell it, just give it to us for free. What?
My thing is, I know for sure we're not the only one that opens stuff there.
I don't know.
Okay.
But this is why sometimes we get discouraged when we have to go film videos, because some workers just act weird about it. Like, they either think we're going to steal something or exploit their products in some kind of way. It's like once they see us with the camera filming content for you guys, they act weird. So yeah, that was just awkward. that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give it a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.